hope you all are fit and fine at your place and enjoying your vacations. In your vacations, can you come with me in a tour? It's a tour of our state, Uttarakhand. So my dear kids, today's GK class topic is Uttarakhand. Let us come with me, know about something, our beautiful Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is the place of Lord. Uttarakhand is the divine. It is famous for its natural environment. It is have the rich heritage and a culture. So, let's come with me, know about this beautiful place that is we called the land of God. So, let's come. Uttarakhand state formed in 9th of November 2000 as the 27th state of India. There are 13 districts in Uttarakhand and 2 capitals of the state. For winter, it is in Dehradun, and for summer, it is Garhsand. Dear students, the 13 districts of Uttarakhand are Almora, Bageshwar, Champavat, Nainital, Haridwar, Pithoragarh, Chamoli, Uttarkashi, Pauri Garhwal, Tirhi Garhwal, Rudraprayag and Udham Singh Nagar. Uttarakhand is a largely hilly area with the international boundaries with the China, Tibet and in east Nepal. First Chief Minister of Uttarakhand was Mr. Nityanand Swami and the current CM of Uttarakhand are Mr. Tirath Singh Rawat. First Governor of Uttarakhand was Mr. Sukhjit Singh Barnala and Ms. Baby Rani Maurya is the current Governor of our state. As we all know, the Uttarakhand is also named by the Dev Bhumi. So let's come with me to know about some famous temple of Uttarakhand. Sri Kedarnath Dham. Kedarnath temple is devoted to Lord Shiva. It is in Rudraprayag district. Sri Badrinath temple. Badrinath temple is devoted to Sri Hari Vishnu and it is in district Chamoli. The Gangotri and the Yamunotri. Gangotri is the origin point of river Bhagirathi, Ganga, and the Yamunotri is the origin point of the river Yamuna. They both are in district Uttarkashi. Jageshwar Dham. Jageshwar Dham is also a very famous Shiva temple. It is in Almora district. Haridwar Har Ki Pauri is in district Haridwar. The Tunganath temple. Tunganath temple is the highest Shiva temple of the world. It is in Rudraprayag district. And there are so many other temples in our state. Uttarakhand's beauty attracts to the pupils worldwide. Come, let us come with me, know about some very famous tourist place in Uttarakhand. Mussoorie. Mussoorie is the Queen's of Hill. It is in the Tirhi district. Nainital. Nainital is also known as the Lake City and it is in Nainital district. Oli. Oli is famous for ice skating and it is in Chamoli district. Rishikesh. Rishikesh is also known by the center of yoga. It is the place for the spiritual studies and for the meditation. Osani, Ranikhet, both are the very beautiful hill stations. Ranikhet is also the center of Kumaon Regiment. As beauty of Uttarakhand is spread all over the world, same the people of Uttarakhand are also known in worldwide. Let us know about some famous personalities from Uttarakhand. General Bipin Singh Rawat. General Bipin Singh Rawat is the Chief of Army Staff in Indian Army. Mr. Somnath Sharma. Somnath Sharma is the first recipient of Paramveer Chakra for the Uttarakhand. Sumitra Nandan Pant, a famous writer and poet. Bachendri Pal. Bachendri Pal is the first woman reached to the Mount Everest, also from the Uttarakhand. Govind Ballabh Pant. Shri Govind Ballabh Pant is the first recipient of Bharat Ratna for the Uttarakhand. Abhinav Bindra. Abhinav Bindra is the Olympic gold medalist, also from the Uttarakhand. You all know who is he. Yes, he is a very famous cricketer, Mr. Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Neha Kakkar, Zubin Nautiyal, they are the famous singer. Anushka Sharma is an actress. They all are come from the Uttarakhand. They are the pride of Uttarakhand. Tiri Dam. Tiri Dam is the tallest dam in India, in Uttarakhand. Jim Corbett National Park. Jim Corbett National Park is the oldest and the largest wildlife sanctuary reserved for the tiger. It is also in Uttarakhand, Nainital district. The Nanda Devi Mountain. Nanda Devi Mountain is the second highest peak in India and the 23rd highest peak from all over the world. Uttarakhand have the two divisions, Gadwal Mandal and the Kumaon Mandal. The popular festival of the Uttarakhand are Guptiya. Guptiya is called to the Makar Sankranti, Phool Dei and the Harela. The Apan Arch, the Rangwali, the Patta, stone carving and the wood carving are the arch of Uttarakhand. Let us know about the symbol of Uttarakhand. The musk deer. Musk deer is the state mammal. Monal. Monal is the state bird. Buras. Buras is the state tree. The Brahma Kamal. Brahma Kamal is the state flower. And the football. Football is the state sport. Literacy rate of the Uttarakhand is 85% and this is very good for all of us and we should proud of them. No words can perfectly describe to this blessed land. Dear students, now the word of the day. Word of the day is heritage. Heritage means authority. Inheritance. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ होता है विरासत, धरोहर. ये उत्तराखंड की संस्कृति, ये हमारी जो धरोहर है, विरासत है, इसे संभालना है, संवारना है, संजोना है आप लोगों ने। नाउ द क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे। क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे इज वेरी इजी। यू हैव टू टेल मी फ्रॉम विच स्टेट द उत्तराखंड will be separated and formed a new state. आपको बताना है कि किस राज्य से अलग होकर उत्तराखंड एक नया राज्य बना। So my dear student, I hope you all enjoy this journey. We will meet soon in next coming classes. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a good day, stay safe, stay happy, stay at home. Bye-bye.